In a bustling city, whispers spread about a hidden recycling plant that turned waste into gold. Curious, a young woman named Alara ventured to find it. She discovered a secret society that believed recycling was the key to unlocking nature's hidden treasures. They claimed that every bottle saved a tree and every can preserved a river. Skeptical, Alara joined their cause, only to find her life transformed. As she recycled more, her garden flourished with rare plants. The twist? The society was a front for an ancient order protecting Earth's magic. Recycling wasn't just saving resources, it was preserving magic.